How's it going, everybody? December 20th. What I want to do is talk you through something that I've noticed happening since last night. This is going to be specific to pop sockets, but over the last couple of, let's say even the last week, people have been talking about shipping dates for certain items. People are kind of speculating why there's going to be a drop in sales, and then when exactly people stop actually shopping for Christmas and holiday gifts and all that kind of stuff. And basically as soon as this message here is updated to arrives after Christmas, that's when people actually stop I guess getting as many sales as they used to. Which is all fair, right? If people are buying items for Christmas and for gifts specifically, if it's an evergreen item or something that people are going to be buying throughout the year and it's not a gift, it's for themselves, then of course that doesn't matter. A couple of days in shipping is not a big deal. But here's what I've noticed. So this is I have 3 examples of my pop sockets, and I believe that all the price is the same, and we'll look at that. The address is the same, and like I said, this is I've noticed this last night, and it's still the same today. And I don't know, why this is, but let's talk about some of the things that I've noticed. So basically, this is the shipping update, or including the price and the delivery and everything. For one of my pop sockets. Now I've included the ratings and the price in here just because that is the only difference in all of these listings. So one of them, this one here, as you can see, 11 ratings, 4 stars. I'm not exactly sure if it's 4 exactly. Price is $14.99. I price most of my pop sockets at $14.99. And everything's cool with this, right? It's saying free delivery Tuesday, December 28th, fastest delivery December 22nd, arrives before Christmas. Here's the address, in stock, perfect, right? We get to the second one. Same thing, same price, same information, like I said, same shipping address. Where would that be? There it is. Arrives before Christmas, December 22nd, 7 ratings, $14.99. And then I get to this one. Same thing, same price, same shipping address. If you already haven't noticed, I'm not gonna spoil it for you. The one difference here is that it has 100 ratings, so it's significantly more than the other 2. But look at this, only 1 left in stock, and that's what I've noticed. And I have never actually seen that before. And also, if my understanding of print on demand is that, let's say, they will be printing these as they're coming in, and I'm sure that for some of these items, they have things already ready to go based on the estimated upcoming sales and all that kind of stuff, because of course Amazon is extremely intelligent, and I think their logistics are next level. But why would this happen, right? And this is where I would actually appreciate your theories, because I don't have an idea. Because if we're going with straight up print on demand, where they're going to take a pop socket that's blank, somebody orders it, and they're printing, whatever the design was on this one, and you can order as many as you want, and then you get to this one, there's only 1 left in stock. Why? That's the point of this video, because I don't know. And ever since I started doing these November and December, these kind of like really sad sales updates with the significant drop in sales, and then people are saying there's so many like supply chain issues, and it's taking Amazon, months to actually restock certain items, and they're going through changes. Certain sizes were not available. but here we are with the pop socket. And again, like I said, I really have no theories if we're considering blank pop sockets need to be printed as they're ordered. Let's say that they even had a bunch of these ready to go. You know, why can I buy 10 of these or 10 of these, right? When it's nowhere near I guess where they don't have anywhere near the amount of sales that this one has. Because this one, I would say I definitely sell at least one every single day, and then multiple times a day at times, right? But again, you know, there's only one left in stock. Very interesting. So, you know, I'm not gonna spend any time actually, you know, coming up with theories or you know, just speculating or anything. I'm curious. Do you guys know why this would happen? Again, like I said, it's not that the address is any different. The only thing that is different is the number of ratings and how often they sell. So unless they're actually limiting some of the best sellers or best sellers, some of the better sellers, because if, you know, this is a bestseller for me, you know, maybe selling 1 or 2 a day is absolutely nothing to somebody that sells 100 a day, right? But if that is the only difference, then is Amazon actually doing something proactively to limit sales? That is my question. And I don't know. I'm very happy to hear your answers. I would love to know if you guys have ever seen anything like this with a pop socket. I could see this happening with certain t-shirts if it's a specific color and size. But again, I've never seen this before. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have some good theories, some ideas for me, because I would love to know. I'll talk to you guys soon.